Hello there. Today we're going to show you how to cook the soya chunks. First we boil the water and then add it into the soya, and it's like a 15 minutes. It's getting melt. You know. Then you drain excess water and just try to take out all the waters that you have it, and then it's gonna be a very good taste. And otherwise it's gonna be a little bit of water inside, and then outside it didn't absorb the salts, all the curry inside this paste. That's why you have to take it out this water. This after the 15 minutes, when you add it the hot water and keep it covered. Yeah, looks like that. So it's first we add it like turmeric. Turmeric is very good for the health benefit, and this curry powder, mostly coriander, cumin, and 2 teaspoons of curry powder. And then we're gonna add some chili powder, dried chili powder. It's not really hot. This also some curry powder, salt. Gonna add and mix it and keep it little while, maybe 15-10 minutes. This black pepper powder, it's around like 1 tablespoon. This around like 300 gram around soya. Then keep it mixing. Then keep it maybe half an hour, 1 hour. That's not really all the absorbs all the taste inside this soya. Looks very cool. Keep it this one until it's ready. So secondly, we chopped up some garlic and also some ginger. Using the old-fashioned old way, using a mortar and home cooking style. So all the things we're gonna smash it and cut it little slices, and then smash it. That's then it's going to really good taste. Heat is on high heat. Then we add some skin because then the soya chunks get in a little bit of tight on the oil for it. Then the more taste coming out. Like that. Then a little bit while when we add some coconut oil, around 2 tablespoons. Cinnamons and tangerines also. And keep it well. Let it same time like 1.5 cup of water. Then it's going to be that's the amount you need because what you need like a curry of